Hello, this is Sharanya from Ka-pore by Moumita, and today's episode is really special because we have curated some beautiful sarees for Onam. And this is ranging from soft mull cottons to majestic muslins. So stay tuned. This is part one. Part two will be coming soon. If you like any of the sarees, all you have to do is take a screenshot and share in the number provided or DM us, and we will be able to help you with your purchase. And we are shipping all over India and also abroad. So please feel free to connect with us and follow us if you love sarees and if you want to see beautiful handcrafted sarees, handmade sarees from us. So the first one is what I am wearing. Yeah. So I am wearing a tussar and silk jacquard jamdani saree. The jamdani work is done in using copper zari. This is tested zari, so it won't lose its shine. All you have to do is keep dry cleaning it. This sari is without a blouse piece. It's a 5.5 meter sari. It's a beautiful creamish color, and the copper zari works really well with the creamy stone. It also has a very intricate zari border woven in handloom. This is jacquard jamdani, which is like this. This is a 5.5 meter sari. Price is 7560. 7560 is the price of the one I am wearing. Starting with some mull cottons. Mull cottons are something, they are so easy to drape, they are so easy to manage, they are so breathable, lightweight. These are 5.5 meter mull cotton sarees, solid color mull cotton sarees, and they come with these lovely little tassels at the beginning of the palla and with a block printed blouse piece. So they are 5.5 meters, solid colors. Some of them have contrasting little selvage. This one is tonal blue, and they come with this kind of block printed blouse fabric. Uh, we have an entire collection of mull cottons with printed blouse piece. So if you want to see, please connect with us, take a screenshot, connect with us, and we'll be able to send you all the mull cotton that we have with us right now in this range, which is solid body with the printed blouse piece. We also have different varieties in mull cotton. This particular variety is 1680. 1680 is the price of this mull cotton, which is solid body and with a printed blouse piece. 5.5 meter is the sari, comes with tassel, and some of them have a contrasting selvage or border, you can say. It's a very soft, comfortable, lightweight, and easily drapable sari. You can wear it also in so many different pleats, and you can do a lot of experiment and innovation with these kind of mull cottons. This is the first sari. Moving on to the second one. Second one is also another mull cotton with a tie and dye effect. These are our tie and dye mull cottons, and we have 4 to 5 colors in this as well. This one is also 5.5 meters, comes without a blouse piece, but we haven't paired any blouse. With this, you can wear it with a white blouse, definitely, or you can also contrast it with another color. They also have these lovely tassel at the beginning of the palla, and price is 1575. 1575 is the price of this tie and dye mull cotton. Shibori effect is there in this mull cotton. We can also call it a shibori mull cotton. We have 4 to 5 colors in it. If you want to see all the colors, please take a screenshot and share us with the number provided, or DM us in our social media pages, and we will be happy to share you the colors. Price is 1575. This is the sari. These sarees are all fresh from the looms. Various varieties of designs we have. Most of them have colors. The one I am wearing is a single piece, but mostly all of these are available in color options. So do connect with us to check all the color options out. Next is a lovely uh, cotton jamdani with a pink and green, pastel pink and pastel green color palette. It has this very traditional Jamdani motif in the palla. This is the palla. It's a very traditional Jamdani motif that we see in Dhakai Jamdanis in the palla. This is a 6.5 meter sari. The body will have this little floral buttas. Look how pretty these buttas are. It's like someone has spread a bunch of flowers in the sari. These will be your body, little tiny floral buttas in the entire body, and it comes with a contrasting pastel green, mint green border, and the border also has a woven triangular detailing in alternate of white and green. This is your border. Throughout the sari, you'll have this lovely little floral buttas. Ekটু কাছে আয়। Throughout the sari, you'll have this lovely little floral buttas. They are very pretty. They are like jasmine woven in your sari. This is also available in a bunch of color options. I am showing you the mint green and pink one. This is the blouse piece, 6.5 meter sari with last 1 meter blouse piece. The blouse piece is in a teal green color, and it also has the same border that is there in the body, and the blouse piece also has the woven buttas, the floral buttas woven in it. Price is 2310. Price is 2310, and available in it is available in 3 or 4 color options. This will be your palla, and I'll quickly pleat it up. This is 100 count cotton, beautifully done and very soft, very breathable to use. This is how it is. This is your sari. A very sober, solid, subtle sari with a beautiful, intricate floral detailing. Third sari for today. Fourth one is a Zari Jamdani in cotton. Zari Jamdani in cotton. We have used copper color Zari. This is available in 3 color options. I'm showing you the purple one. Beautifully done, intricate weaving in both the borders and also in the body. This is your palla, and then you have this as the top border, which is a little slimmer. This is your top border, and as you move forward through the palla, you get into the bottom border, which is a little thicker, a little broader border in the bottom, but same motif as that of the top. And then you have this woven jamdani buttas in zari throughout the sari. We have used a copper colored zari. It is tested zari, but we often tell you that you can hand wash our cotton sarees, but for this particular one, you need to do a dry clean because it is zari. Zari, whenever there is zari or embroidery or sequence, we always recommend you do a dry clean so that your sarees keep as good as new for longer period. Throughout the body, you will again have these jamdani buttas. This is how the jamdani buttas go. A little bigger in size and floral motif jamdani buttas in the body. This is how the jamdani buttas will be. It's a beautiful jamun color, very pretty, very beautiful, and the contrast of the copper zari also looks amazing in it. একটু বুটিতে focus কর. This is a 6.5 meter sari, comes with a blouse piece. Last 1 meter will be your blouse piece, which is without the buttas but with borders on either side. Top border, which is little slimmer, and bottom border, which is little thicker here. And price is 2630, available in 3 color options. So I showed you the jamun color one. Moving on, I want to show you a lovely muslin. If you have seen our last live, we have showed a color option in that. That is gone. That is gone though. Last যেটা চলে গেছে booked. Okay. So the last live, we showed you a different color for this particular sari. Today I thought of showing you a pastel color tone, a pastel pink and mint green combination in muslin with sequins and woven jamdani in the palla. This is, I'll just show you how the feel of the sari. Look how beautifully translucent, transparent this sari is. It's a silk muslin. We have Jamdani butas in the palla, alternate of yarn Jamdani, alternate of Zari Jamdani. Zari that has been used is golden Zari. The border also is a mix of golden Zari and a green selvage. And throughout the body, you have this vertical stripes along which the sequins are woven. Throughout the body, you will get vertical stripes along with the sequence is woven. This sequence continues throughout the body. তুই আমার দিকে ফোকাস করছিস না শাড়ির দিকে? আচ্ছা শাড়ির দিকে বেশি ফোকাস করিস আমি যখন কথা বলছি। This also comes with a blouse piece. It's a 6.5 meter sari. This is your blouse piece. Blouse piece is in matka, a contrasting mint green, which is present, the same color present in the border. Now we have a bunch of color in this. Last live we have showed you one color which already got booked. So today I came with another pastel tone, and we have a bunch of vibrant tones also in this particular design, and also some lovely pastels we have in this particular design. Price is 9450, and the stripes present in this sari, this jamdani, it's vertical, so this is gonna add to your height, it's gonna give you structure, and the sequence is woven along these stripes, and the stripes are very subtle, almost um, of the same color as the body. This is a very subtle stripe, doesn't come very strong. This is how the sari will look. Silk muslin 9450, color options available. And the last sari for this episode is a woven sequence sari, the pocket sequence one that we are famous for. And this one is woven in resham silk and muslin mixed together. Resham silk and muslin mixed together. So it's not entirely transparent, it's a translucent fabric, but the fabric is very, very, very soft. Muslins are often a little crispy, a little structured, but because we have used silk, resham silk with muslin, this sari has uh, the look of muslin, the shine of muslin, but also the feel of silk, which is so soft and easy to drape, and then very comfortable to wear. A very smart, simple sari. There is woven sequence. This is your palla, entirely woven sequence, and the sequence is woven inside the fabric. As you can see, there is fabric on the top of the sequence also, and on the bottom of the sequence also, so the sequence won't move from its place, it's gonna stay like this. But since it's a silk saree with sequence, please do dry clean. And this is the border. Top border goes like this, also the bottom border goes like this. Throughout the saree you'll find this border. Body is plain, solid colored body, very classy. The combination is also so nice. It's like a henna green, beautiful sari. Available in three colors, two shades of pink, one rani pink, one soft pink, and this beautiful green. 6.5 meter sari comes with a blouse piece. Last 1 meter is your blouse piece, which is woven in matka silk on on the same color tone. So this is your last 1 meter blouse piece. You can definitely contrast it with another blouse, or you can wear it as it is for a very classy feel, and pearl will go so well with this sari. Price is 12,075, available in three colors. This is the last sari for this episode, and we will be back with six more beautiful saris in the next episode. Stay tuned with us, and happy Onam. Bye.